Chevrolet has all kinds of updates happening with its SUV family. Today, we are treated to fresh spy photos of the forthcoming Tahoe, slated for a modest facelift as part of its mid-cycle refresh. If this looks familiar, you likely saw our first Chevrolet Tahoe refresh post in March 2023. It also featured a white Tahoe with heavy black and white coverings on the front and rear, and it even had the same wheels, albeit with center caps missing. This isn't the same test vehicle, however, as there's a different number plate on the back. We can also see some fresh details, such as a better view of the split light configuration coming to the front. It should be similar to the recently refreshed Silverado but not identical, thus ensuring the Tahoe, and longer Suburban, maintains a distinctive appearance compared to the truck. Sticking with the face, a white H pattern in the grille camo obscures the updated design, but we can see several horizontal bars with two prominent bars closer to the top. The outline of a Chevrolet bow tie badge is discernible in the center, and we believe the grille overall will grow larger. At the bottom, we can see a restyled lower fascia with a notch in the center. Our previous Tahoe sighting revealed integrated rectangular exhaust outlets in the rear bumper, but they looked unfinished. We speculated it could be a placeholder fascia, but the outlets are back on this prototype. That all but confirms a significant change for at least the lower part of the Tahoe's rear clip, and we can see new taillights as well, peering through the glass. We don't have a clear look at the interior, but we can see some covers sitting atop the dash. That suggests at least some design changes are planned, possibly relating to driver or center display screens. As for the powertrain, we've heard nothing with regard to updates, so the current engine options will likely carry over. There's some question as to whether this will be a 2024 or 2025 model year SUV. That depends on when it debuts, which should happen by the end of this year. Subscribe, like, don't forget the bell.